All right, the pin I use for all these parts, it's just a Rustoleum can. It's metallic dot copper. And I've had really good results with this. And then I used the automotive EGC clear coat 4:1 ratio. And it actually held up really good. Stuff looks really, really good. Really pumped on this. Got a nice protective layer now. It's the same stuff I used on the motor bits too. The same color as the R1 roof and some of the bits on that car as well. The transmission came out awesome. I just gotta touch up this cap with black. No, I'll call it a day. Other than that though, it came out awesome. Took me about 4 hours to clean this thing up, to get all that gunk off. Oh, with a pain in the butt. But we are getting there, slowly but surely. Oh, this looks so good. Yep, the stuff's the truth. Works pretty good. I like it. Easy to spray too out of a gun. I'm just using a Harbor Freight gun, $25 gun, and it's working perfect. For small bits like this, it's not bad at all. Yeah, these all look great. Steering rack 2, starter. Just love the color. The color looks so good. Yeah, I ended up repainting the engine a darker gray. The other gray was too light. But it looks awesome. Oh, that and the fucking turbo manifold. Got rid of the red, just went with the gray. He's looking great. Get a sneak peek over here. Oh yeah, that looks great. That's awesome.